Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into USAA Mobile with MFA detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your USAA Mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, tap on the app icon to launch it. On the welcome screen, enter your USAA membership number or your username. Next, tap on the Next button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. After entering your password, tap on the Login button. Now, if you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you will see a prompt for verification. You may receive a text message or an email with a verification code, depending on your settings. Open the message or email to find your code. Enter the verification code into the provided field in the app. Once you've entered the code, tap on the Verify button. If your code is correct, you will gain access to your account. If you encounter any issues, ensure that you have the correct membership number and password. If you receive an error message for the verification code, check if you entered it correctly. If you still have trouble, consider requesting a new verification code. You can do this by tapping Resend Code. Follow the prompts to receive a new code. Once verified, explore your account features as needed. Always make sure to log out once you're done for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.